Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to start chatting your Binomo platform. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To start a chat or get support on the new Binomo platform, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Binomo app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top bottom right corner of your screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and you'd find the option that says chat. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do here is once the chat window opens, type your question or issue. A support agent will usually respond shortly to assist you. If you don't see a chat feature, you can also use the help center or FAQ section for common questions, and email support usually at support@binomo.com or through the platform contact form, and reach out on our official social media channels. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.